Hello friends, today I am going to share with you how you can bypass FRP lock on Galaxy A01. It's Android 11, the latest security. So first of all, we need to connect it with Wi-Fi. You need to download SamFirm tool in computer. The link is in description. You can download it from there. And after that, open SamFirm tool in computer and connect your mobile with PC. Now click on Android tools here and now click on bypass FRP and select MTP bypass FRP new. Just click on it and wait for the pop-up message on your mobile screen. As you can see, it's now connected with the mobile and pop-up message appear. Now click on the view button here and this will let you go to Google Chrome. So first of all, I will try Align Shield X method. If Align Shield X method doesn't work, then we try another method. So I just fast forward the video so we can finish it fast. I don't want to waste your time, so I just do it as fast as I can. So we check Align Shield X working or not. So as you can see, the all process I done here, and then I will go to install the Align Shield X. Then I will check this model is working with Align Shield X or not. So as you can see, I almost done all the process. So here I am just backing up Align Shield X. So then we will check it's working or not. Now we are in Align Shield X. I just give permission here, activate, and then click on next. As you can see, there is no knocks, so we cannot bypass FRP lock with this. So you can see there is no knocks available. If knocks available, then we can enable the USB debugging, otherwise we cannot. So this method is failed. So we have another method, that is the last method you can do. So we need to downgrade our mobile because there is no other way to bypass FRP lock. So first of all, we need to turn off our mobile and put it in download mode. As you can see, I am just going to turn it off, and now press volume up and down. As you can see, I am just doing here, press volume up and down and plug the USB cable, and now you can see our phone is in download mode. Click on the volume up button to continue, and here you can see its information. We need to check its binary, that is K4S4, that means binary 4 U4, and you can check its baseband also, there is U4 you can see. Now it's confirmed our mobile have U4 binary 4. Now search in Google SamFW and you will get the first link. Click on it and this will let you go to this website, that is SamFW, and here we need to search our model. So I just type here A015F, that is our mobile model. So as you can see, it's Galaxy A01. So just click on it. You can select model according to your. So as you can see, it's now giving us the related files. So just wait a minute. As you can see, now it's asking for your country. So I am from Asia, so I just select Pakistan. You can select your country according to you. So I just select Pakistan. Just click on it, and now you will see there are files, and you can check binary U security patch 5 4. So our is 4 binary, so you can see it's Android 11 U4 and it's Android 11 also, and this is Android 10 binary 4, that is the lowest version. So we need to download the lowest version so we can easily bypass FRP lock. So I just select the Android 10, the lowest version. You can select the lowest version of your file. You can see its binary RU number is 4, the same which we have, and here is its security patch. You just click on the direct download and it can take a few seconds to download it. You just click on it and as you can see it's now downloading our file. Just wait a minute. As you can see it's asking for to download it. Just click on the start button and this will download your file. I have already downloaded it, so I just cancel it, and this is the process. You can do it. Now go to your mobile again and put it in download mode and open Odin in computer. The link is in description. You can download it from there, Odin. And after that we need to select our files which we have already downloaded it and extract it. So I am just going to click on the location. Here is our firmware, so I just select BL for BL file and then click on AP and select AP file, then CP, select CP file, then I will select CS, then click here and our full file are selected. Now just click on the start button and our flashing will be start. So just click here to start, and this can take a few minutes, so I just fast forward it so we can finish it fast as soon as possible. Keep it in mind, whenever you flash the downgrade version you need to same binary or U number, so keep it in mind, always flash the same binary number. So this is very important for you, otherwise your mobile can be brick or hang on logo. So here our flash is done and our phone will start soon. It can take up 5 to 10 minutes to start up, so I just fast forward it. As you can see our phone is downgraded successfully. You just need to connect it with Wi-Fi and connect it with PC. Then we need to open Easy Samsung tool in computer, and as you can see our drivers are just going to install. Wait for the drivers installation. As you can see drivers are just going to install. Now just click on the bypass FRP, click OK, and this will show a pop-up message on your mobile screen. It can take a few seconds, so just wait for the pop-up message. As you can see here is the pop-up message. Just click on the view, click on the view button here, and this will let you go to Google Chrome or internet browser, so just skip it. And here we need to search for FRP Faisal from faisalmobile.com, and now click on the first link. Now we are in our website, so just scroll down and here we need to just click on the settings app button here, so we can analyze the software version. As you can see Android 10, and you can also check its security patch 1st February 2020. So here we need to go back. Just click on the back button to go back. And now we just need to click on open set lock screen. As you can see, click on open set lock screen, and now here you just give any pattern or pin lock. So I just give my pattern 2 times here, so skip here, and here we need to check our pattern lock is working or not. So just go back to home screen and just click next. Now we just need to set up our mobile, and this will let you bypass FRP lock. I just fast forward it so we can finish it fast. As you can see, our phone is going to start. As you can see, there is no FRP lock or Google lock. In this way you can bypass easily without Galaxy Store or any other APK. You just need to set up a screen lock, and then you can bypass FRP lock easily. So hopefully you like the video. If you like the video, do subscribe, like and share. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.